Annalise. Hi, baby. Playing with some of her little toys. I've been trying to get her to play with them. She's gonna be 3 months tomorrow. And she's playing more and more every day. Hi, baby. You know mommy's recording you, right? That's why you look at mommy so much, right? Look at the little toys. Look at the pretty little colors, mommy. Look. You see the pretty little colors? Huh? You see them? You see them? Yeah, you like the pretty little colors, huh, mommy? I love you, baby. Mommy loves you so much. Hey.